Howdy, y'all. We're at Chicken Inn in Chicago, and let's see what we got. Well, it's in a neat little bag, and inside that bag is some chicken and some slaw and some taters and a roll, and trying to get a better shot of the chicken and those roasted taters. Yum, yum. Okay, let's see if it's any good. So, before I get into the food, Chicken Inn, it's a little walk-up place. There's a window and the kitchen behind it, and that's it. So it's to go only, and right next door is Pianist Meats. It's a Greek deli, which I'm really tempted to try. I love Greek food. Right behind me, across the street, is a White Castle, so there's lots of good food around, or possibly good food. There's food. Anyway, it's a little leg, but it's a leg. It's not bad. It's been sitting out, I think. The spices are good. It's well cooked. It's just, I think, cold. It's been sitting under or out for a while, I think. It's had a good reputation. Here's the taters. Taters have been sitting out. The slaw looks like there's just cabbage and mayonnaise or something. I don't know. There's some vinegar, I suppose. Yeah, it's okay. Which pretty much describes the whole experience so far. It's okay. It's good chicken. I'd probably give it 4 stars if it was hot, fresh, instead of sitting around under a heat lamp or something. The taters, same thing. They're like 3-star. In the South, if you go to a gas station, you're liable to find some of the best fried chicken and taters you've ever had. But once you get away from the South and you buy fried chicken and taters from a grocery or a gas station or truck stop or something these days, the less likely you are to get something good. It'll be more like this. So it's comparable to Yankee gas station food. Although the chicken's really good, it's just cold. So it's 3 out of 5 stars. Yeah, it's edible, but that's it. So I'm gonna dig into my chicken and feed my face, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.